Good morning, friends. It is 6 in the morning and I am putting some roasts in my crock pots and they're still somewhat frozen. I took them out yesterday, but they're still frozen, but that's fine. We're planning to eat around 4, so they'll do great. So what I'm making is my friend Jana's roast, and what it is you put chuck roasts in your crock pot and you put a packet of brown gravy mix, ranch buttermilk packet, and Italian dressing packet. I only have one of the buttermilk, so I'm gonna put one with just regular ranch. I've done it before, it tastes great. So you mix this portion and if you don't have a packet like I do here, it's about 3 tablespoons. So you mix all this together with a ½ cup of water, pour it over your roast, cook it on low, 10 hours or so. Oh my gosh, you're gonna have the most yummiest roast. So that's what I'm working on for Sunday dinner tonight. Hello friends, good afternoon. Well, I just got home early from church with my parents. They're exhausted, I think, from their flight and coming in so late. So Mom is swinging on the swing outside. It's like this hammock swing, just relaxing, and Dad's out there reading a book. And I am working on some taco meat for lunch. Their family is going to be home in about 15 minutes, 20 minutes, and I am working on tacos for lunch. And then of course we have the roasts for dinner. So when they get home, they can eat lunch and we can hang out and chill together. Mom heard cooking in the kitchen and she came in. I'm like, go take your nap. She just couldn't stay away. So all of you that are new to my channel, this is my mom, Angela.
Hi.
And she is a hoot.
A hoot.
You're a hoot. And she can't stay out of the kitchen.
No.
I'm ready for a nap. Oh. I jumped right out of my church clothes and I'm in my jammies. I don't mess around.
Oh, wrong knife. I should get a different one. Oh, an apron. I need an apron. Oh, let me knight you with this apron.
Yeah. So Mom is helping me with the lettuce and the tomatoes for tacos, so that when they come in, they can shove it in their mouth.
This is pretty good. If it came from a plant, eat it. If it was made in a plant, don't.
Oh, but it tastes so good, Dad.
Well, yeah, it does.
Don't you like a taco, Dad?
I love that smell.
You like taco seasoning?
Oh, I love it. So, what is a fish taco? I don't think I've tried it. What kind of fish they put in it?
I know.
A fish taco, you could do cod or haddock or tilapia. You could grill it or fry it. You could do shrimp tacos with shrimp, which we love.
Oh, shrimp tacos.
I love shrimp tacos. Yeah, I like fish tacos a lot.
I know. I see it on the menus all the time. But
Oh
we've never
yeah,
had it.
and they have cilantro on them. Oh,
I go to a Mexican
you
restaurant.
shut your mouth. That stuff's delicious.
I can't eat it. It tastes
Do you think
like
it tastes
soap.
like you? So
Yes.
Really?
Do you know that it's
A little bit, it's okay, but when they restaurants that put way too much in it, it leaves like a metallic taste
Yeah.
in the mouth.
Wow.
metallic,
I
yeah.
think I'm like, can I have more?
Do you know, if you go on the internet, you know, everything you read on the internet is true.
Everything on the internet is true.
It says that if you do not like cilantro, it's because you're lacking a gene.
What?
That's what they said. Even if you go on it, Google it, Jeff.
Google it, Dad.
Google it.
Everything is true on Google.
Google.
We're having lunch out on the deck.
My favorite.
Your favorite.
I really
Yeah,
like
there's
that
my
meat.
dad, Jerry. So
I
handsome.
really, guys.
So yeah. So I got these placemats at Walmart. They're the Pioneer Women's. So we got these for the deck,
And guys,
the patio.
I really want to eat out here and never did. And yesterday, I was drinking Mom's drink and out here because it was so fun.
Oh.
Because I like this.
Do you hear the storm rolling in? You guys, there's a storm coming. Look at those clouds.
Yep.
It's
So
so
I
nice
think-
out here though. So one thing that my mom and husband bond over is The Voice. They love the show, The Voice. That's what they bond over.
We bond over The Voice.
You like The Voice?
We like those types of shows.
I don't really care.
So Monday,
They could sit together. I can make you guys popcorn.
You don't get to watch-
They're so funny. I'm gonna make
can
them a
watch-
special dinner, and they can have their bonding moment.
yeah.
All for it. 154 great grandchildren.
President Nelson.
President Nelson. Yeah, lots of kids. Didn't he have like Hall Grove? Somebody mentioned it on the general conference. 154 great grandchildren. I forget how many grandchildren.
Mommy loves me, guys. Hey, Dad, can we buy it?
Before we go to Hawaii.
Because I need 2 more. 2 of them are broken.
Do you see Jonah's hair? Do you see the color? He ended up dyeing his hair yesterday. Check it out. Callie's dyeing or bleaching Jonah's hair to put in the blue. He's dyeing his hair. We're going to see if we could get it to work because hair's so coarse. They're out on the lawn dyeing hair tonight. Brother Helvey is awesome. He just yelled out, "Jonah, you trust your sister to do that?" Sure does.
Worst case scenario, we just shave your head.
Okay, so these are pretty much done. So what I'm gonna do is put some potatoes in the Instapot to make mashed potatoes, and we're gonna make Brussels sprouts and broccoli. So I'm gonna make dinner. We're gonna have dinner early tonight because we have a seminary graduation to go to. It's a church graduation for like seminary classes that the kids take. So Callie's graduating from that as well. So it's at 6. So I'm gonna start preparing dinner. We're gonna eat a little early. So I'm gonna try to be quiet while I do this. Oh, this is just falling off. It is so good. So I'm just gonna clump it up, put it in here, put the top on, and put it on the table. Oh, dinner was delicious. Well, we went back to church and went to seminary graduation and cried. So she got her certificate because she finished reading all of the Book of Mormon, the Bible, and some other books, and she got her certificate. So one more graduation. 2 down, 1 more to go. And yeah, so now we are putting the little kids to bed, and because it is 7:30, they're tired. They were like falling asleep while at church. So we're getting them to bed right now, and then us adults are gonna go, my mom and dad and Derek and I are gonna go to my uncle's house and visit for a while. This is my dad's brother, so we're gonna go visit. So I do have some family here in Utah, not much, but so now we're gonna go hang out and be with them. So my twin, my sister.
Yeah. There was a time that we, you know,
did
maybe
think.
we did think, yes.
Remember when we worked at that bank?
Yes.
And people kept thinking you were my older sister.
Yeah.
I went with
That was
it.
a long time ago, though. It was too long ago.
I was your age. I was your age when that happened. I was 40. You were 40 when that happened. Isn't that
Was it?
crazy? Yeah.
Hmm.
And now I'm 40.
Whoops.
All right, guys, thank you so much for joining me today, and I'll be having more day in the lives this week because it'll just be easier that way. So much to do. Tomorrow I'm preparing for her graduation party, so stay tuned for that. Thank you for joining, and we will see you soon.
Toodles!
Bye.